Video 6. Scanning hepatic vein, portal vein, and portal confluence from the stomach. This video aimed to demonstrate how to image the hepatic veins, how to follow the intrahepatic portal vein to the portal hepatis, and how to image the portal confluence with the transducer positioned at the cardiac region of the stomach. The scope was inserted into the cardia with the transducer facing the right side of the patient. The inferior vena cava and hepatic parenchyma were imaged. The scope was then rotated clockwise gently to demonstrate the right hepatic vein, the middle hepatic vein, and the left hepatic vein joining the inferior vena cava successively. The intrahepatic portal veins could be distinguished from the hepatic veins by their thicker and more hyperechoic vessel walls. When the left intrahepatic portal vein was identified, the scope was rotated clockwise to trace the portal vein and the portal hepatis. At this point, the hepatic artery, which appeared as an oval-shaped structure, could be seen lying between the portal vein and the transducer. Switching on Doppler further accentuated the hepatic artery. The scope was gradually rotated clockwise to yield the portal confluence, which lies just posterior to the neck of the pancreas. Beneath the pancreatic parenchyma, the splenic vein and the superior mesenteric vein could be visualized, with the superior mesenteric vein further away from the transducer. From the portal confluence, the scope was rotated clockwise to trace the splenic vein, and this allowed the pancreatic body and tail to be inspected. Conversely, when the scope was rotated counterclockwise, the pancreatic head, pancreatic uncinate process, and the superior mesenteric vein could be seen. The portal confluence would also be found by tracing from the intrahepatic portal vein towards the splenic vein. The key is to begin with vessels that one is familiar with and tracking it by adjusting the transducer gradually.